Hey guys,
Hello.
so we are heading to
Brisbane.
We are going to
Yay!
Brisbane. Aryan, we are going to Brisbane now, and it's a 1 week holiday, and we are
Yay.
looking forward to enjoy the humid in there because it's really different from Perth.
I'm so excited.
Yay, me
It's
too.
it's a beach city, and with me I always love new buildings, new areas, and roads. So
Yeah.
obviously not gonna complain, thinking, oh, I'm tired of just walking in the same road. It's
Yay.
gonna be a different
Yay, so let's
feeling.
go.
Yes.
Yay.
Yay, let's go Brisbane.
Yay, Brisbane.
Hey.
We are going to the airport.
Yay.
This time we are flying with Qantas.
Qantas.
Yeah. And flying off to?
Brisbane.
Brisbane.
Yay!
Yay.
Yay.
Brisbane.
Hey. Aryan, mommy. We are at the Perth airport. You guys.
We are at the Perth airport. We are in Terminal 3, Qantas, and we
Terminal
are
4.
Oh yeah, Terminal 4.
Yeah.
Terminal 4, yes, we are in Terminal 4.
Yeah.
T4.
So as usual, we always come early so that we can enjoy some little food,
Snacks and stuff.
snacks, and then relax.
Snacks is the
And
best.
talk ourselves through go through all the checklist and everything. So we
Yeah.
have done that, so all good. We are quite happy.
Yeah.
And shall we go now?
Let's go. Let's
Yay.
go.
I was so excited for Singapore. I was so excited for Singapore, and I'm very excited for
Brisbane. Yay. Not a lot.
Yeah. Well, it depends on the appetite. If you are really hungry and you've got a big massive belly, this food is nothing.
Yeah.
And if you have a small tummy,
Like Aryan,
me,
yes.
it will be so much.
It will be so much.
So much.
Yeah, like too much food.
Yeah.
So these are all Vietnamese food.
Yeah. So we
Vietnamese.
Vietnamese. So now we are heading towards our plane. Is that Aryan?
Yeah, but no, I first going to check.
Yeah.
Going to the chicken counter.
Chicken counter, yeah. We are on number 12. Let's take our seats.
We're going to Brisbane. This is the first time me and Aryan traveling with mommy. We are going to Brisbane for the first time.
Ah. Aryan and mommy are strolling their luggages. We're gonna be soon heading towards the belt to get our luggages. Yoo-hoo! We are in Brisbane. Aryan, mommy. You tired? Alright, let's go get our bags and then take the taxi and go to the hotel.
Yay!
Yay! So we got our baggages. Now we're waiting at the taxi stand to get our get onto a taxi. Got a fair bit of luggages and the cabs are here. So we are at the Alcyone now. Let's go in. Acho. So we are at the hotel. It's big, isn't it? Yeah. So Aryan and mommy are now going towards the lift. Level 15. We guys are on level 15. Swipe the card. Oh, it's squishy. Can you swipe it?
So where do we swipe? Oh, so swipe.
And press 15. Yeah.
This time doesn't make the beep noise.
Yeah. Mommy?
So you can open this side or that side?
I don't know. Let's see.
I feel like it's not gonna be that side.
What level are we on? 4th.
5th,
Oh, no.
7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th.
Yay!
Oh, that. Oh,
So it means
you
this one.
got it wrong.
Can you push my luggage out?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go to the room.
9, 15, 11.
Let's see how the room is like.
3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Oh my god.
Look at this. We got a kitchen here.
Kitchen at the very start.
Whoa! And we got a bedroom here. See?
Wait, what? I think the bedroom's there.
Got a big bedroom here for the kids.
What
And
is it?
yeah, then we got
There's
a
a sliding mirror door.
here lobby. With the toilets.
No, don't show that.
Okay. And then we got another bedroom there.
Ah.
It's a big bedroom. And we got a balcony here as well.
Oh, we got another toilet.
Is it? It's an
Yeah.
ensuite. Yeah, I saw that.
Another aircon. This guy's seeing the sliding door.
Yeah, no, it's okay. Let's see. Mommy? Come help mommy.
Sliding door is oh, we can even go outside.
Yes, you can. Just go. Help mommy. Go.
Oh.
Come on, help mommy first.
And then after we do this, we're gonna go try outside.
After sleep.
No. I'm gonna quickly see how it goes.
So mommy and Aryan are getting all the luggages in. We got a fairly big, massive room,
That little bitch fell.
and we got a proper kitchen here, and all the kitchen items are here. And alright, so guys, just say bye to everyone. Say,
Let's try.
Have a good night, everyone. We reached
Oh
our
wait.
hotel. It's a very beautiful hotel room, and we pretty much got everything in there.
There's a
Yeah.
washing machine.
yeah,
It's like
it's like a house.
Yes, it's like a house. It feels like home, like you got everything in there. So we're just gonna go straight to bed. We had our dinner in the flight, and
Yeah.
we'll see you guys all in the morning again.
Yay.
See ya, bye.